Today we're at Waterway Terraces 1. This is Punggol's most iconic, beautifully designed development right here. With its cascading terrace architecture and lush greenery, this estate sets a true landmark over here in Punggol. If you're looking for a home that offers seamless connectivity where the upcoming Punggol Cross Island Extension MRT line is right at your doorstep, extreme convenience to Waterway Point where it's only 3 minutes walk away, and breathtaking landscaping views from your unit, and also this is one of the youngest estate within 400 meters from Punggol MRT, do stay with Property 65 as we unravel this exclusive 4-room HDB flat right now, right here. Built in 2016 and located along Punggol Walk, travel another minute and you'll reach to Waterway Point, one of the largest malls in the northeast. You can find NTUC Finest, Uniqlo, CHAGEE, Tai Fung, Tien, Don Donki, Decathlon, just to name a few. In addition, within this estate, it is also a sheltered walk where you can find a huge value shop store, clinic, laundry shop and a coffee shop Fugo. As for families with children, you can find a total of 4 primary schools within 1 km, mainly Punggol Cove Primary School, Punggol Green Primary School, Punggol View Primary School and Valior Primary School. Within 2 km, there will be a total of 15 primary schools, namely Nan Chiao Primary School Top 22 and Mito Primary School Top 9. This is an intermediate corner unit, and at 990 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 1 bathroom, living and dining area and an enclosed kitchen. As we enter this lovely home, we are greeted by a beautiful foyer area where you can find spacious area that you can put your carpentry, storages, maximum storage space, upper and bottom cabinets. As you head into this unit, you can see this unit is bright, open, the living and dining area is such a functional layout. Especially this couch here is a built-in feature that it comes with a couch cushion and also storages at the bottom, cabinetry at the bottom over here. What sets apart differently from this estate is that this is Waterway Terraces where it has cascading landscaping that is beautiful, landscaping view that you get a balcony and planted area right over here. You can have your own landscape plants, you can feel the breeze, such a breathtaking view that no other normal HDB estates in Punggol you can find. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a bright and open living and dining area with a functional layout. The couch area is a built-in feature with storage, facing a possible TV feature wall, creating the perfect family movie night spot. But what makes this space so special are the sliding doors that open directly to the planter balcony. This brings in plenty of natural light and allows a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. It's the perfect spot to add greenery to make a little urban garden. Next, let's head into the enclosed kitchen. It's designed with plenty of top and bottom cabinetry for maximum storage, keeping your counters clutter-free. The long countertop gives you space to prep meals with ease, and the layout allows you to fit modern appliances seamlessly. At the back, the service yard adds practicality, perfect for your washer, dryer or even additional shelving. The common bedrooms are impressively large by today's standard. Each bedrooms can comfortably fit a queen-size bed with wardrobes and still leave space for a study desk or play area. If Waterway Point isn't enough, just 1 MRT stop and you'll be at Sengkang MRT, where you can find Campus 1 Mall, Sengkang Community Club and the 24 hours Kopitiam Square, perfect for those who love to shop and dine out. What's more, the brand new Punggol Coast Mall and MRT is ready for you to explore. You can find Muji, Sushi Go, Daiso, Luckin Coffee and many more. Also, Punggol Coney Island is just nearby, perfect for a leisurely brisk walk session with your family. And finally, the master bedroom. This is truly a standout feature of the unit. It's extremely spacious, easily fitting a queen-sized bed, study desk and a wardrobe, with plenty of room left to move around. Both the common bathroom and the master bathroom are well kept and functional, giving you a clean base that is move-in ready. Did you know that this unit has so much more potential? The first phase of Punggol Digital District has been officially completed, which is currently Singapore's first smart business district in the northeast. A brand new technology and innovation centre which UOB have invested more than 500 million in the new centre and spans 300,000 square feet, It will also collaborate with JTC Jurong Town Corporation, and by 2026, the Punggol Digital District is embarking on the next phase with 3 new business park towers. In addition, the Punggol Coast MRT has been officially opened and serves as an extension of the new Singapore's Institute of Technology SIT University campus and Jurong Town Corporation buildings. Next, the 7.3-kilometre cross-island line Punggol extension will provide a direct link to Pasir Ris and Tampines North and Sengkang. The construction works for cross-island line Punggol extension are expected to commence by end 2022 and targeted to be completed by 2032. And last but not least, the upcoming Punggol extension will have an entrance right at the doorstep of this estate. This means no more umbrellas needed. It will be a fully sheltered walk to Punggol MRT, directly linking to the North East Line and Cross Island Line MRT. Alright, we come to the end of this home tour, and I hope you love this limited edition former flat right here in Punggol. With its amenities and convenience right over here, please feel free to contact me if you want to view this unit. I'm Eunice from Property 65, and let's head off to the other amenities. So this place, you also get the childcare, residence, community centre and Punggol MRT in this direction. Please come and view this house. If you like this unit, please like, share and subscribe, and you can find us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. And once again, I'm Eunice from Property 65, signing off. In Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher!